Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your iPhone 11. Whether you're facing glitches or just want to give your phone a fresh start, a hard reset can be really helpful. Let's get right into it. First, let's quickly discuss when you might want to perform a hard reset. If your iPhone is unresponsive, freezing, or acting strangely, a hard reset can often resolve those issues. Now let's get to the steps. Grab your iPhone 11 and follow along. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This might take about 10 to 15 seconds. And that's it. Your iPhone 11 will reboot and you'll see the Apple logo. Once it power backs on, it should be functioning normally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below.